Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new lesson, the earth, our home. So here in this lesson, mainly we discuss about the mainly we learning about the understand the shape of the earth and also changes in the weather day by using the words cloudy, rainy, and hot, and also identification of direction with the help of sunrise, and also shape of the earth and shape of the moon, shape of the sun, and also what is meant by globe and what are the different uses of globe and how we representing or so denotes the area of the land and also area of the water that covered by, and also so north pole and south pole, okay, and geosphere and hydrosphere. So all these things we discussed here in this lesson. So before, so okay, whatever it may be, so now let us discuss one by one. Okay, here in this lesson mainly we learned about the understand the shape of the earth and also such changes in the weather in a day by using the words cloudy, rainy, and hot. Remember the identification of direction with the help of the sunrise. So we identify the directions with the help of, so in which direction the sun will be rises. Okay, so here in the, you already learned about the friends of the sky. Okay, so friends of the sky means, so what are the different objects that are present in the sky. So these we call it as friends of the sky. Okay, examples: sun, moon, stars, galaxies, and satellites, and dwarf planets and planets. Okay, all these are the friends of the sky. So yeah, write the names of these friends in the square given. So take the clues from the pictures. So yeah, first picture that is sun, and second picture that is moon, and third picture that we call it as star. Okay, sun, moon, and star. Do it yourself. Take a plate and fill it with a colored water. So keep the plate in the sunlight and adjust to it to see the image of the sun in water. So observe the shape of the sun. So first you take the plate and fill it with colored water and keep the plate in the sunlight and adjust to see the image of the sun in the water and observe the shape of the sun. Okay, so do it yourself in your home. So next, you might have seen the moon on full moon day. So describe its shape in two lines. Okay, you might have seen the full moon day. So describe its shape in two lines. So okay, look at the picture given below. What picture is this? So write its name in the space given with the help of your teachers or elders. So this is in a shape. This picture is in a shape of the earth or earth picture. Okay, so earth is a blue planet and it is the only planet. So the living things exist their life on this planet only. Okay, so next, observe the shape of the earth. So compare the shape of the sun and the moon with the shape of the earth. So is there any difference? Describe the shape of the sun and the moon and the earth in the square given. So okay, the shape of the sun is in round shape. The shape of the sun is in a round shape. The shape of the half moon is a crescent shape. Okay, the shape of the half moon is crescent shape and full moon is round shape. The shape of the earth is in a ellipsoid or a spherical shape. Okay, I will once again repeat it. The shape of the sun is in a round shape and the shape of the half moon is crescent shape and shape of the full moon is round shape and shape of the earth is a ellipsoid or a spherical shape. Okay, so here we will ask questions. The shape of the earth is dash. The shape of the earth is ellipsoid. Okay, so which one of the picture given below most resembles? So here resembles, the word meaning of resembles is likes or same the shape of the earth. mention. So which one of the pictures given below most resembles the shape of the earth? Mention. Here mango, apple, mango, orange, grapes, banana and papaya. So observe the shape of the earth resembles the shape of the an orange more than any other fruits or objects. Okay, here the shape of the earth resembles in a shape of an orange. So okay, take an orange. Here one activity is a activity. Take an orange, touch its northern and southern tips. So how do you feel? Okay. So okay, this is in a northern tip and this is in a southern tip. Okay, so you should know this. The earth where we live also has two tips. So they are northern tip and southern tip. So as in the case of orange, the northern and southern tips of the earth are mostly flat. So okay, so these northern tips and southern tip so are mostly flat. Flat means samanantara. Okay, so the earth has its own specific shape. This spherical shape of the earth is also called geoid shape. The spherical shape of the earth is also called as geoid shape. The photo of the earth with blue, green and brown colors looks very attractive. The photo of the earth with blue, green, brown colors looks very attractive. So here you understand that the earth has two tips. First one northern tips, second one southern tips. So at the end of the earth or at the end of the two tips, the earth has flat surface. Okay, and also the shape of the earth is spherical in shape. The spherical shape of the earth is also called as geoid shape. Okay, and the photo of the earth with blue, green and brown colors looks very attractive. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the globe. So this picture is in a globe. So observe the picture. It is a small model of the earth. So it is called globe. What is meant by globe? The small model of the earth is called globe. So it is a small model of the earth. It is called globe. So I think very clear what is meant by. So suppose if we ask questions, so define globe. So then you should answer small model of the earth is called globe. So by using it, we know about the earth. So by using the globe or with the help of the globe, so we know about the earth. The globe shows. So what are the uses of globes? The globe shows shape, length, breadth of the earth very accurately. Okay. So in next class we discuss more things.